I'm currently studying floor and wall tiling. I did a pre-app about 3 years ago and got into work straight away after that. The course has been amazing, just from all the different branches that you can do with it. And Ian, the TAFE lecturer, is absolutely amazing. Workshops always got what you need. I'm loving the renovations that I'm doing at the moment with the project people. We go in, rip out a bathroom, redo all the prep work, render, screed, everything, waterproof it all, retile it, fit all the shower screens. Ripping it out is one of my favourite parts, not gonna lie, not running to the bin, but the smashing part is my favourite part about renovations. But then seeing at the end and how happy clients are, I love it. It is incredible, absolutely amazing to see transformations. Tiling can take you anywhere. You can go do pools, you can go do renovations, you can go commercial and lay hundreds of metres in a day with heaps of people, and you're always in small teams because you work so closely together and you have great relationships with your fellow workers. It's just a really good trade.